Okay, this is a video for 3HT Chapter 8, Exercise 43. I just want to explain what you have to do, because the book doesn't explain this, so some of you are probably wondering what to do. It says that Janet and Ronald board a giant Ferris wheel at the same time. Janet boards Ferris wheel 1 and Ronald Ferris wheel number 2. For the following situations, calculate after how many seconds they reach the lowest point at the same time. For question A, the period for Ferris wheel number 1 is 18 seconds. So that means that he starts at the bottom, then he goes up and down, and then after 18 seconds this person is back on the ground. For Ferris wheel number 2, this one takes half a minute, so 30 seconds. Now there are two ways of doing this, an easy way and a difficult way, so I'll show you both and then you'll probably do the easy one for all of these exercises. If you want to take a look at the first Ferris wheel, it's on the ground after 18 seconds, right? Now this is a periodic relationship. If you take a graph here, the Ferris wheel starts low, then it goes up, and then it goes down again, right? And then it goes up again, and then it goes down again. And it keeps continuing like that. And this is after 18 seconds, it's on the ground again. So after 18 seconds, this is on the ground, and also after 36, that's 18 seconds further. And then if you add 18 to that, it's also on the ground after 54 seconds. If you add 18 to that, it's also on the ground after 72 seconds. If you add 18 to that, also after 90. And if you add 18 to that, also after 108 seconds. So this is the number of seconds after which the Ferris wheel is on the ground. Now we're going to make a same list, but then for 30. Because the second Ferris wheel is on the ground after 30, so then 30 is here, and then also it's on the ground after 60, so that's the next part where the Ferris wheel is on the ground, and then also 90, and now we'll notice that we'll see the same number here and there. So the question for our exercise A, let me repeat the question. It says, for the following situations, calculate after how many seconds they reach the lowest point at the same time. So in this case that would be after 90 seconds. This is the easy method. You just have to write down like 1 times 18, 2 times 18, 3 times 18, etc. And also for the other one until you have the same number somewhere. Now I'm going to explain the difficult method, but then you need to know what prime numbers are. The prime numbers are 2 and 3 and 5, not 4, because 4 you can divide by 2. And prime numbers are numbers you can only divide by itself and by 1, and the answer should be a whole number. So then we have 7. Now 8 can be divided by 2, 9 can be divided by 3, 10 can be divided by 5. So the next one is 11. And the next one is 13. Now this list goes on for quite a while. If you take 18, you can write it down as 2 times 9. But 9 is 3 times 3. So you can write down 18 as 2 times 3 times 3. 30 is 2 times 15. And 15 is 3 times 5. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to take one of these. I'm going to take this one. 2 times 3 times 3. I'm going to see what's missing in the other one. The 2 we already have. The 3 we already have. The 5 we don't have yet. So we're going to do this times 5. If you calculate this, you get 90, which was the answer. So you can use the prime numbers to get to the answer. But you can also just write down a list of those things. And you can do B and C yourselves and just do the same method. Like the one you want to do, the one you want to use. Thanks for watching.